Okay, Dave, this is the 630 grinder. It's got the hoist and all. I tested it. I'll send you a separate video. Everything seemed to function good on this. This is the bed knife grinder I got, which is less than ideal. So I could add this in there. It just has parts. It's got a couple issues. It's fine if you don't mind. It doesn't missing the glass. But let's take a walk over here. This is the 670 this that we've been using. Glass is pretty junk, but I had this off another machine, or the plexiglass. This is it. I haven't really taken time to clean this thing up, or the other one yet, but just so you can see, we got, so the traverse not working at the moment. Hopefully that's something simple. There we go. It's working. See if we can do this with one hand. As I press the button with my phone.